On some of the worksheets that you might be doing in class today, there's one thing that I wanted to go over as well, in addition to all of these notes that you guys just took, all right? It is possible that you might come across a situation where you're given an equation like 3y equals 2x. So make sure you flip your paper over and take these notes as well. Just so if you come across this, you know exactly what you were supposed to do. Alright, so you might come across a situation where you might get an equation like this, 3y equals 2x. Could be any sort of numbers where the 3 and the 2 are, but this is just the example that I'm using. Obviously, this is not in our y equals kx formula because y is by itself here. And here, you can obviously see that y is not by itself. It has a coefficient of 3. So I want to talk about how we're supposed to get rid of that. Right? So just like in equations, whenever we want to get rid of a number, we need to do the inverse operation. Here we have 3y, and whenever there's a coefficient and variable right next to each other, that's multiplication. So we need to divide out the 3. And remember, whatever we do to one side, we need to do to the other. So we divide this side by 3 as well. So these 3's cancel out, so everything that's left over here is y. Now let's talk about what's left over here. We have 2/3 x. Now we are just going to write this as 2/3 x, just like that. As you can see, this is in the same form as that. So whenever you come across a situation where you have a very equation like this, make sure you divide out whatever the coefficient is over here and add to this side, and keep it as the constant over here.